Hi everybody, my name is Ksenia and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys what is in my Sephora July 2019 box. I am very excited of getting these boxes. It's so much fun, and I do like the option of trying all these products before I buy. I have found some of my favorite products through this subscription, because you don't want to always pay for a full price product then you don't know how it's gonna react and then go back and return it or whatever. This is a great option to try the products that you usually would not go for, or you wanted to try but just couldn't afford to buy. So this is what it looks like. I'm not gonna be showing you the other part because it has my address, but basically it has like Sephora things all around, and when you open it you get this cute little pamphlet telling you like what's happening and what kind of products there are and how to use them. So each of these boxes you get the Sephora Play 50 points card, and basically all that means is that you're gonna get to have 50 points in your next purchase of whatever amount in the next 2 months. So if this is for July, then the card should be valid until August 31st. So yeah, you get to use that anytime before August 31st, and you get extra 50 points for your Sephora Beauty Insider program. And I mean, all these pamphlets are just so fun. Literally every time, this is my favorite part of the box. Like, how cool is this? And then Sephora Play box gives you their products in this cute bags. The bags are colored per month, so most of my bags are like orange, red, pink, whatever. This is my first green, I think, but I also been subscribed for almost a year, and they used to have all kind of different bags. Like they had the cloth bags, they had plastic bags. So let's see what you got. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna be trying today out of this box is KIEHL'S Ginger Leaf and Hibiscus Thermal Mask. Okay, so this is what the mask looks like, and this is what it looks like inside, so let's apply it. According to this description, it says, fall asleep anywhere, even in a desert island. With this on, you'll wake up with a visibly firmer and smoother skin. And the directions to use are apply a quarter-size amount to cleanse skin, which I totally didn't. I totally applied way more because, I mean, big face anyways. Apply a quarter-size amount to cleanse skin before bed and leave it on while you catch your snooze. In the morning, cleanse skin to remove the mask. So the next clip you're gonna be seeing is gonna be from the morning after. I just washed off my face. It's kind of dark because the sun didn't go up yet. So I just washed off my mask and I actually took a shower, and I couldn't resist from popping on my blackheads. It was so nice. But the reason why I did it, I mean, nothing could stop me, but the reason I actually did it is because the next product we're going to be using is the CAUDALIE Vinopure Natural Salicylic Acid Pore Minimizing Serum. So it's supposed to minimize all the pores they have, and if it would focus you could see how large my pores are. Like, it's very annoying, what the heck. So like, this is what they cleaned out looks like. They just look like huge dots. So annoying. That's why my face is so red, but anyways. Okay, so this is what the product looks like, and it actually was chosen for my skin concern because when you sign up for Sephora Play box, it asks you various questions regarding your skin, hair, and all the other stuff like that. So I probably indicated that I have large pores, so that's great that they send it to me. So it says there is only so much room in that survival kit, so pack this multitasking serum that diminishes the look of pores and zaps blemishes. Amazing, because you know I eat sugar and I get all the blemishes. Ridiculous. And for directions, it says apply morning and night to your clean dry face and use it as spot treatment for problem areas overnight. Which I mean, I'm gonna use it all over my face because my whole face is a problem area. So okay, let's move on. Alright, I think my face is all dry and it's not sticky or anything. It's very nice. It's a gel texture, but let's see if I have my pores. I mean, sure, they're still here, but it's all good. During the summer I don't really like putting makeup on. I feel like it clogs my pores and it just makes my skin look very dull. I don't know, I mean, it looks nice, but overall I would prefer my skin to be smooth and like nice naturally. So I try to take care of my skin as much as I can. And so the next two items are the ones that I'm not going to be testing right now, but it's this CLINIQUE It says feel calm, cool and collected knowing this liquid remover will take off even the most budge-proof makeup, and directions to use are shake, shake, shake the bottle and then soak a cotton pad with a remover. Hold the pad over your eyes and meditate, aka wait a few seconds, then wipe away. There is no need to tug. And the other item is the Drunk Elephant Slaai Makeup Melt-in Water Cleanser with Bamboo Booster. So this is what the product looks like, and it says the only thing that this cleansing balm leaves behind is a dewy glow. Plus, it comes with an extra exfoliator made with bamboo and charcoal powder. And the ingredients for this product are marula seed oil, Kalahari melon seed oil, and baobab seed oil. Baobab was hard. So the next item in this box is this By Beauty lip crayon in Glace. I'm not really a fan of any kind of lip products besides, you know, chapstick and some clear lip gloss. It just doesn't look good at me. I look like a witch when I put something on, especially red lipsticks or very dark because my lips are not big enough. And I'm like, that's literally how I feel every time. Alright, let's try it out. It's so weird. I mean, I can barely see it on my lips. Alright, so this is what this crayon looks like. It is definitely not my color. I really don't like it. I don't know. I mean, maybe if I had my powder or face makeup or my hair done or my outfit or whatever, it would have looked better, but I just feel like it looks so stupid on me. Like, look how bad the job of me putting it on is, because I literally never put lipstick on or anything, and because it's a crayon, I don't know, for some people it's easier, but it was really hard to make it like a precise line, so I would have to use brush or something else to make it more precise. But the texture is nice, and I know By Beauty has very nice ingredients. Don't get me wrong, By Beauty is a really good brand. They have a great lip mask and I love it. I do have one of those, and I did get like a full size in one of my Sephora boxes as well. So you guys should sign up, it's absolute best. And as a bonus item, they sent us this Marc Jacobs Daisy Love, which I feel like everybody have already tried. I'm wondering if it is one of the new versions, but we'll see right now. Smells very nice. I love anything with perfume. I have so much. Oh, it's so great. Delicious. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and comment down below which product was your favorite, or if you tried any of this product. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And I'm gonna link Sephora Playbox subscription, and as well as all the products down below if you guys want to go check them out. And thank you again. Have a good day. Bye.